Good morning, children. How are you all, children? In my previous video, I gave you brief introduction of the chapter Sensitivity towards other, in which we also learned that in a family, a child develops a caring attitude towards others by watching their parents and other people around them, and also learned about society. Now, children, tell me, what is a society? A society is an organized group of people. Children, we also saw two stories. One was about Meena and his 9-year-old son, and the other was about Vasudha, which shows the best example of sensitivity towards other. Now, children, let's continue further. There is again a story of a girl, Neeta. Just show the example. Neeta lives in a joint family where everyone cares for the comfort of others. She plays quietly when her grandfather rests. All the neighborhood children have also become conscious and do not make noise while Neeta's grandfather is sleeping. So, children, in this story, what do you have? What do you have? What you have? Think about that. That the Neeta and her friend cared for her grandfather. I have also given an activity to you. Hope you have done it. That write two good habits you have learned from your family members. I think you all have done. Otherwise, I am going to explain. Also, you have learned good behavior and caring attitude towards other from family members. Now, I want to ask, in this world, have you ever seen a person who cannot walk? A person who cannot walk is a lame. A person who cannot see, blind. A person who cannot speak, dumb. And a person who cannot hear is called deaf. So, children, I want to ask, have you ever seen a person who cannot walk, who cannot see or speak, even unable to hear? Yes, of course, children. Many old people become hard of hearing and cannot see properly. Some people have this type of problem by birth or some have accidentally. The special term given to such people are physically impaired person. So, children, what do you mean by impaired? Impaired means disability. Impaired means disability, something which is damaged or weaker. So, children, we will study about hearing impaired or deaf children by this story, living in a quiet world. There is a story about Anjali. She was born deaf. She cannot hear the noise, the sounds of people talking. She doesn't know what it is like to hear, but she knows what it is like to be deaf. It is quite everywhere because she doesn't know, she can't hear the noise. When she uses her hearing aid, a tool, the vibrations of the loud sound disturb her. She quickly turns off her hearing aid. So, children, she quickly turns off her hearing aid. Children, what do you think about Anjali? Because Anjali loves the quietness. She doesn't like the noise because she can't hear the noise. Such people are deaf. They are taught by the sign language. Children, now what is sign language? It is an organized system of gestures or mime used in place of speech. It is common among people who do not speak a common language or among people who are unable to speak or hear. Now children, look at the screen. Here are the diagram shows the hand movements used in finger spelling or sign language. Each movement symbolizes a letter of alphabet. They are used together with gestures for specific words or ideas which enable a hearing impaired person to converse with others. So children, there is an activity or a assignment. You have to draw the sign language from A to Z in your SST notebook. Deaf people are also trained to make sounds and read the lip movements so that they can communicate with others. In earlier times, most people believed that hearing impaired people were incapable of learning a language or of being educated in any way. But Pedro de Pons, a Spanish monk, became the first teacher to teach such students. In 1620, Juan Paulo Bonet, another Spanish, wrote the first book for educating them. The book contained a manual alphabet similar to the one used today. Children, in my next video, we will learn about living in a dark world, in which we will learn about the people who cannot see. So children, till then, keep learning and draw the sign languages given in your SST book. Thank you children.